In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a school group. First, open your favorite web browser. In the search bar, type Skool and press Enter. This helps you land on the official site even if you don't remember the exact address. When results appear, look for the official Skool website. It should clearly show the Skool branding and a secure connection in the address bar. Click the correct link to go to the home page. Once you're there, take a quick moment to glance around so you know you're in the right place. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that with your existing account, or create one if needed, then return to the home page. Next, find and select the option that says Create Your Own. This is the path to building a brand new space, rather than joining someone else's community. On the next screen, choose Create Your Community. This confirms that you want to set up a fresh group from scratch. You'll now be asked to choose a plan. Read through the options and pick the one that fits your needs. If you see a Try for Free option, click it to start with a risk-free trial and explore features before you commit. Plans can vary, so consider things like member limits, billing cycle, and the tools you anticipate using. After that, add the group name. Aim for something short, clear, and memorable so your members can identify it at a glance. You can usually update the name later, but choosing a strong name now makes branding easier. Avoid special characters that might look confusing in links or emails. Next, enter your payment method details. Even with a free trial, most platforms need a valid card to open the account and prevent interruptions later. Double-check that your billing information is accurate and matches the name and address on the card. Review any trial length and renewal terms so you know exactly when billing would begin. When everything looks good, click Start Free Trial. The system will process your setup and take you into your new dashboard. Give it a few seconds. That first load is where the group is created behind the scenes. That's it. Your new school group is now available. From here, you can begin customizing the community, reviewing default settings, and preparing your welcome message. In the next sessions, we'll walk through inviting members and organizing your content so your community can start strong.